Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, in this session, I would like to talk about jealousy and evil thoughts. So let's get started. Chapter number 113, Al-Falaq, the daybreak, which means morning or rising day. Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Kul a'udhu bi rabbin falaq. Say, O Prophet Muhammad, I seek protection in the Lord of daybreak. Min sharri ma khalaq. From the evil of everything He has created. Evil here could mean harm of every creation. وَمِن شَرٍّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ. And from the evil of the night when it grows dark. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. And from the evil of the blowers in the knot. Blowers in the knot means those who practice magic. وَمِن شَرٍّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. And I seek His protection from the evil of the jealous one when he acts out of his jealousy. I would like to emphasize more on the word hasad. So hasad over here means that a person feels unhappy at the better fortune, superiority or good qualities that Allah has granted to another, and wishes that it should be taken away from the other person and given it to him, or at least other one should be deprived of it. When such an evil appears from a jealous person, the best thing would be to seek Allah's protection from it. Besides these, there are few other things which are also helpful for obtaining immunity from the evil of the jealous person. So what are those qualities? So let's see. First one should have trust in Allah and the faith that unless Allah so wills, no one can harm him in any way. Second, one should have patience over what the jealous person says and does, and should not start behaving impatiently. Very important. Third, one should in any case maintain dignity and practice pity, which means respect, even if the jealous person behaves senseless, being fearless of Allah and shameless of the people. Fourth, one should free his mind of every thought about the jealous person and should disregard him altogether. From making him a subject of one's thought is a voluntary start to being influenced by him. Fifth, one should do the jealous person a good turn as and when one can, not to speak of treating him evilly, no matter whether this good behavior removes his jealousy or not. One should understand rightly and remain patient to the belief of Tawhid and the heart which expresses Tawhid, as it cannot be affected by anyone else's fear except the fear of Allah. Tawhid over here means the oneness of Allah. I hope these points will help you overcome jealousy, jealous people around you, and help you improve, become a better person, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.